Good evening, everybody, and welcome to our VectorVest channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and I'm always happy to bring these videos to you. Now, normally on a Monday, I will bring out my top 5 picks for US and Canada. This week, though, I wanted to bring out my low dollar, high potential stocks because it's done well on the channel as far as views are concerned. A lot of people don't have a ton of money to put into the market, so I like these picks for you. But then on the other side, I think that the market is starting to look a little tired. So why would I put out a video like this? Well, the answer to the question is, I want to take what the market gives us. As the market is still moving up, I still think that we might have some upside potential, but I also think the market is moving in a direction that we could be getting a little tired. So let me explain that to you. Looking at our market timing graph, we had a conversation about this morning, that our market timing graph is not indicative of what's going on in the queues. Well, that's true. It is partly true. See, our VectorVest composite tracks the move of over 9,000 stocks. So we feel that it is a better representation of the broad market move, whereas the NASDAQ is only looking at about 4,300 stocks, and basically they're all tech stocks. Would you rather be in the mode of looking at what the broad breadth of the market is doing, or concentrating just on tech stocks? I am in the mindset of, let's look at the whole market as a whole. And with that, we can see that the market has bounced off a level of support. The last 3 days up. Recently, as far as today is concerned, has gone up above a level of resistance, but we do have another level of resistance to go up against. And I think that if we hit that level and bounce back down, the market is looking at a double top, which could be a bearish move for the market. Another side of that is a lot of earnings are coming out this week. I think that we will solidify a direction after this week with a lot of tech stocks reporting this week. So with all of that being said, that's why I'm looking at low dollar, high potential stocks, because I feel that we still might have some upside if people still pushing the market higher. With that being said, let's go to the viewers tab. Here are my stocks for today. We're looking at RollsRoyce, Mizuno, Lux Urban Hotels, D-Market, and Cassie Pharmaceutical. All of these are lower dollar stocks, undervalued, 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 a little overvalued, and undervalued. I think that's important. If I'm looking at low dollar stocks, I want to make sure that they have the potential to move higher. My other potential to move higher is relative value, the stocks that have the ability to outperform a AAA corporate bond over the next 1 to 3 years. All of these stocks have good upsides. I'm willing to give up a little safety on these because I'm looking at these as high potential stocks that have some good upside move. 3 out of the 5 are in uptrends. In this list, I would prefer that you look at the stocks that have RTs above 1. All of them have CIs above 1. That's the comfort index. Notice that a couple of these are sell recommendations. Could these ride from a sell to a hold to a buy and move up? Only if the market continues to move higher. Earnings growth, all double digits. Sales growth, all double digits. But luxury hotels is at a situation where it is triple digits sales growth. Wow. Well, if earnings is the engine that drives the stocks higher, sales is the fuel that fuels the earnings. All right. Now let's take a look at the graph of these real quick. And guess what? If you stay with me to the end of this video, I've got an update on the multi-bagger stock. So you want to make sure you stay to the end. Let's go put this on a 3-month graph. I'm going to look at a 3 and the 8. RollsRoyce in a sideways move right now. If it breaks above this level of resistance, I like the opportunity for it to still go up. History shows me over the last 3 months, it's got some great upside. Let's move to the next stock. MFG, though, is a little bit more volatile in its move, but I am looking at a new 3-8 cross above the 20 as well. I would really like to see if it can take out this 3-month high before I jump on board with the stock. Next one. Now, this is one that I'm going to play a bounce. Nice hammer formation here. No 3-8 cross yet, but it's got good upside potential. It's got good earnings growth, and we saw really good sales growth. So with that, this is a preliminary move. I'd like to see more confirmation before I get in. But I like that it's found a level of support, hammer formation, possible reversal. The next one is Heaps. Now, This is interesting. It met the criteria what I was looking for, but the 3 and the 8 are moving down and below the 20. This one, maybe not so much, but it met my criteria. And the last one, another one coming off of a possible low, a lot of selling pressure. I'd keep my eyes on this one as well. The top 3, though, I do like. These are bottom fishers, sort of, kind of speak, and let's go see if they can bounce. All right, so those are my 5 picks for low dollar, high potential stocks. Now, the second part of this video is looking at what we did this weekend with multi-bagger stocks. I'm going to go to the portfolios. So from the portfolios, go to my portfolios, and I did a portfolio looking at the multi-bagger search. So what did I do here? If you watch the video points out exactly what I'm looking for to find multi-bagger stocks. Wow. Down over 1%. I'm okay with that. Why? Because I put a stop of a trailing stop of 15%. Because these are possible multi-bagger stocks, I'm going to give them some room to the downside and not get out too early. I'm going to trust the process that I did something right to find these stocks. Now, what's going to hurt these stocks? If the market starts to move down, these stocks are going to get killed. So what am I going to tell you to do? I'm going to tell you to pay attention to the ones that are going up. Notice that none of them are going up right now. So I did a little tweak. I went over to Multibagger 2. Multibagger 2 looks at something different that I got from a subscriber. Subscriber says to me, well, Glenn, why not look at, instead of sorting by growth, sorting by another sort, like RT times CI. What else did he want me to take a look at? He wanted me to take a look at, when I find these stocks, that the sales growth is more than the earnings growth. Not that they're both double digits, but that the sales growth is more than the earnings growth. So I built that search, and in that search, now these stocks are up just a little bit, but I've got 4 stocks that are winning. So from a multi-bagger perspective, I concentrate on the stocks that are already moving and wait for the stocks that are not moving yet. In the first one, though, I've got none that are moving up, so I am not concentrating on those stocks. I think this tweet puts a little better stock in the portfolio, and as we can see, they are already paying some dividends. So still multi-bagger, I still like the idea. Slowly but surely, folks, I'm trying to build a holy grail of finding multi-bagger stocks. So that is my first change. I wanted to let you know. So far, it's doing a little better than the first search. I will create a third search and put it into the portfolios, and we will keep monitoring along the way. Folks, if you like what you saw here, make sure you hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel, folks, I can't invite you enough. I need you to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when videos like this come out. Stay with us. We got a lot of great content coming out. You want to make sure you're staying on top of that. So folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here. Did you miss out on the Tampa 2-day investment seminar? Well, right now you can get access to the live recordings for this event for $199. That's right, folks, $199 can get you access to all the great presentations from instructors like Steve Chappell, Jerry D'Ambrosio, Jim Penna, Ron Wheeler, and yours truly. In order to take advantage of this spectacular deal, you have to go to www.vectorvest.com/offers.